This is baby number 2 has finally gotten attached to mama. Got to the back. There's baby number 1 standing up. How sweet. Number 1's getting stronger. But she wants to eat too. Oh, she's taking steps. Yay. Now she's got something to eat. Oh, sweet. Mama's being so good. Now she's stimulating her to go to the bathroom. They're both now eating. Yeah, they've latched on good. Okay, I think we've had enough of that. Here you go. Come on, baby, where you going? Baby number 2's gonna go over trying to go over the back. Come on. Oh, sweet.